In this tutorial, we will explain how to install and use the Wiser Micromodule that allows you to control and program your hot water tank remotely. The Micromodule can power up to 3,000 watts in resistive load and is only 17 millimeters thick. It can be installed into a wall box and can monitor energy consumption remotely. Further information can be found in the instruction sheet. With the Micromodule combined with a Wiser Hub 2nd generation and the Wiser Home app, it is easy to remotely control a hot water tank, program it, and measure its energy consumption. Controlled equipment can be a hot water tank, or for instance, equipment like a swimming pool pump. We are now going to install the Power Micromodule. You will need a flathead screwdriver for this installation, and we recommend having other tools handy as well. Before you begin the installation, ensure the main power is switched off. Step 1. Check if the hot water tank is already controlled by a off-peak contactor. In such a case, set this contactor to permanent forced operation or remove it. Step 2. Connect the phase and neutral wires as explained in the installation manual. Earth protection must be present and connected to the hot water tank, but is not connected to the Micromodule. Step 3. A push button can be added to enable local manual override. Step 4. Place the Micromodule in the installation box next to the hot water tank. Turn the power back on. For pairing, make sure the Wiser Hub 2nd generation is installed and operational. Now we are going to connect the Power Micromodule to the Wiser Hub. Open the Wiser Home app and add a new device. Select the device Power Micromodule in the app and follow the instructions. That's it. Your Micromodule is associated with the Wiser app. Finalize the installation. Now, you will be able to control the Power Micromodule remotely from your smartphone with Wiser Home app. You can also schedule it and measure your energy consumption. If you have off-peak contract, activate the Reduce My Bill mode, and Wiser schedules your hot water tank during these hours. During the holidays, you can use the Away mode, which can stop heating hot water for several days and warm it just before coming back. Hot water tanks should be programmed to run for 6 hours in a row once a week, or after returning from an extended absence, to prevent the growth of Legionella bacteria. Now you know everything about the installation and applications of the Wiser Power Micromodule. Soon, other functions will enable you to optimize your consumption even more.